Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today is January 17th, and I am going to take it easy today. I really wiped myself out yesterday. If you watched my vlog yesterday, I highlighted my experience using Sarah Styles' dashboard in recording my inventory and getting some numbers to come into focus to help guide my shopping and sourcing in 2020. If you haven't seen it, I encourage you to check it out. Sarah's dashboard has been hugely helpful in my business, and I still have so much more to learn about my business as I dive into those numbers. I also recorded a podcast with Daniela for my podcast, which is Thrifter's Villa. You can also check that out on all major platforms. But Daniela and I stopped recording at 12:10 a.m. So Jay got home from Houston last night. He was taking an Uber home like at 11 p.m. So I was really just trying to rally through the day. I have a lot of guilt when I work late at night with my family. So when he is away, I really get hardcore with working. I only listed a couple things that I had saved in my camera. So it wasn't a heavy listing day. I was able to ship everything from Wednesday and Thursday yesterday. So I only have one thing to ship today, and it's actually something that I need to send an invoice for, so it may not go out till tomorrow. So I am, in a sense, taking today off from heavy social media stuff. I'm going to go to SAVERS. I just need my little SAVERS fix. They are having 50% off on Martin Luther King Day this coming Monday, but I know it will be a madhouse. So I have a 20% off coupon. I'm just gonna go and reconnect. It's kind of my therapy. Just wanna relax. I'm not looking for anything in particular. I do know, because of my dashboard, that I don't need any dresses, and that winter boots and rain boots are my top selling shoe. And what else did I learn from my dashboard? Tops are my number one selling category. And I don't always go to the tops. They're usually really jam-packed and there's just a lot to look through, but I will be looking for some tops today. So anyway, I will take you along with me at SAVERS, and it might just be a very light vlog day. I don't have any shipping to share with you, but I will show you. This is the pair. This is the one thing I need to send out to my friend Lisette. Hey Lisette, who I met through Leslie Tucker when we did the podcast in Woburn of New England people. If you're not following Leslie, Leslie's amazing. She does podcasts. She just started a new podcast called Am I Really Bald, where she talks about her journey with alopecia and just kind of talking about it and encouraging people to share their stories. So check out her new Instagram, Am I Really Bald. Leslie is a very special person, and so is Lisette. So she ended up buying these Ugg boots from my haul the other day. So this is a direct sale. I have to ship that out. So that's my day in a nutshell. We're laying low tonight because Jay just got home from Houston. So I have a sense it's going to be a season 2 of You. Are you watching You? So good. Season 1, so far I liked better, but season 2 has my interest. So I think I am going to park myself on the couch tonight with a glass of wine and my laptop, and I'm going to list tonight, but I'm going to source today. So come along for the ride. have really been staying away from cloth and stone, but I love this pattern. It's just, and everything's gonna be half off on Sunday, so I'm not sure about that. This is just a cropped sweatshirt. I think I'm gonna give Angie first dibs on that. It's like $3.50. This is my new brand today. Comps on these are really good. I will put an image in. Try to make sure it's clean. These comps are between 50 and 100. This is a Free People sweater. Let's see what size this is. Small. Savers was a success. I spent a little more than I would have liked to. They are having their 50% off sale this weekend, but I like to go a couple days in advance and scope things out. I like to also figure out if there are things that I don't want to buy with 20% off coupon, but that I would go back for with a 50% off. So I ended up putting back that soft surroundings jacket. I put back the Free People floral dress because it was like a bodycon fit, and that's something that I said I was going to leave behind from now on. There were a couple things. There was a Ben Sherman cardigan that I didn't look up the comps. I left that behind. It was black. I didn't think it would photograph well. But I did pick up some stuff, and I was kind of feeling very Valentine's-y. I picked up some lavenders and pinks and purples and things like that. So now I'm running into another local thrift store. This one is a consignment, so their prices tend to be higher, but it's just a really lovely shopping experience. And they also have housewares, and I'm in the market for a sideboard. I want to redo my office space. So I'm just going to hop in and take you with me. Hi, handsome. Where's your snacks? There she is. Hi, pretty. Come on. Let's go outside. Let's go. Come see Mama. Hi, pretty girl. Hey, hey, hey. I went shopping today. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Stay right there, Lou. I gotta get the mail. No, look, Lou Marie. Don't you go running. Good girl. Mama comes right back. I've been home for a while now, and sometimes when I get home, when I enter all of my information from the day, from what I purchased, I'll just sit down at my computer, I'll look up descriptions, find style numbers, stock photos, more information, and I just start like loading stuff in my phone in draft format before I even take the pictures. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna show you. So one of the exciting things that I found were these Escada pants. I got them at the second thrift store that I went to. They're right here. I paid up for them. They were $13.50, which, you know, may or may not have been a good call, but I got those. This was just on the rack at Savers with like other like blazers and light jackets, and it caught my eye because the structure of this is just so insanely beautiful. So the brand is Paw Amsterdam, and it's vanity sizing. It's a size 1. This is 100% silk. It's like an evening jacket. It's just beautiful. This was $8.99, plus I had 20% off. My average cost of goods for the day was $4.44 overall. This is stunning. So there is a small flaw, which is down here. There's like this staining down here, which may or may not be able to come off, but I probably will not get it off. But honestly, when you have the belt there, you can't even tell. Absolutely. The next item that I picked up, it's a marled drapey cardigan sweater by Lucky Brand. I really loved this sweater. It's honestly in like new condition. It's also a size large, which, you know, is great. And again, I think individually priced, this was $7.99. These I'm so excited about. I did not purchase these at Savers. I got these at a local thrift store that I don't go to very often. They carry a lot of mature styles, but I was in the mood today. I grabbed a Dunkin' Donuts coffee and I headed in and I found these pants. They are 100% wool, high-waisted, sailor button Escada pants. So they're absolutely beautiful. They are a size 36. They have pockets here on the side. They're gorgeous. I am in the middle of deciding whether or not I'm going to send a few of my items to the Real or ThredUp Luxe, but these would certainly be a candidate. But I really love this style, and there were some that did sell on Poshmark, so I'm hoping these will do pretty well. The retail on these, $375, but as you know, Escada isn't like the best-selling thing on Poshmark, but I think I'm going to try to list them in the 80 range and see how they... I love this sweater I picked up. You may see this in a future video as well. This is just a Free People V-neck. There's a special word for it, style-wise. Anyways, I was surprised by the comps on this. Really, a lot were listed in like the $50, $60 range, but I do love the color. It is a size small, and as I was taking off the tag from Savers, it popped off. So I just took a picture of it with it attached, but yeah. I left the price tag on this one because I'm really not sure if I'm going to keep this. So the price tag on this was $7.49. I really loved that it had a pattern. It is cloth and stone. So I had 20% off of that, but things are going to be half off on Sunday. I kind of feel like I could have left this behind and it would probably still have been there on Sunday. What do you think? Anybody picking up cloth and stone anymore? I mean, if I had found this at the bins, I probably would have been thrilled, or if it was half off, I would have been excited. Comps are around $25, if that. So I think she might be going back to Savers. These I just could not believe. I picked these up at the second thrift store I went to, which is a local spot. They are just beautiful. They are St. John, and they were marked $5. These were like the cheapest shoes that were there. So after $114, they were $3.75. So these cost $3.75. I believe they are size 9. I mean, look at the condition these are in. Yeah, they're 9B. There's this tiny little mark here, and other than that, they are just beautiful. Resale on St. John's isn't amazing in the shoe category. I would probably list them somewhere between 50 and 60 and hope for, you know, somewhere between 40 and 55. Maybe I'll list them at 65. This is a Lily Pulitzer iPhone case. It's for the iPhone. I think if it's like the iPhone 6, but I want to see if the 10 fits. Mine is a Mac, so it definitely doesn't fit, but this is like brand new. Probably $15 to $25 for this. Price tag on this was $1.50. I couldn't pass it up. I'm not like the hugest Lily fan, but this is in great condition. I got this athletic skirt in a size large. It has the mesh under here. It's really nice. I love that it has like this very subtle striped detail. Again, this is a size large. Probably priced this around $35, $40. I was really happy about these. So these are like new. These are the compression seamless tights from Lululemon. They're in a navy blue, but they were in the section of SAVERS that is leggings, but not athletic wear. So if you're familiar with SAVERS, you know there are like two separate lanes. And this was in with like the non-athletic wear, and I always check it out for that reason. And these are like brand new. I think I have another pair or some version of this already in my closet, I believe in like a gray, but these are great. But this is the crazy part. Are you ready? $2.49. I think the other ones that I have in my closet right now I have listed at $58, and I will list these at the same price. All right, so that's it for my haul today. If anybody's interested in anything, you know to message me. Also, you can check me out. Actually, DMs are a pretty efficient way to reach me. You can either email me at loritana1973@gmail.com. It's listed in the description. Or DM me on Instagram at LORISBOSTONFOUND. All right, thanks everyone. I think that's it for today. We're gonna wrap things up. Let me know what you think. All right, everyone have a great night.